I'm Randy and I make candy, and today I'm making raspberry chocolate caramels. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. For this recipe, we're going back to Artisan Caramels by Sandy Arevalo. This is the same book that gave us the recipe for French toast caramels. Those are pretty awesome, so I have high hopes for these. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own raspberry chocolate caramels, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. Okay, let's make this happen. For this recipe, you'll need 320 grams of heavy cream, 294 grams of sugar, 58 grams of butter, 228 grams of corn syrup, 9 grams of raspberry extract, and 150 grams of chocolate or melting wafers. You'll also need an 8x8 pan, some parchment, some cooking spray, oil or butter, a large saucepan, a spoon or spatula, a candy thermometer, a plastic bag for piping, and a cutting board. Okay, let's make some candy. Spray the 8x8 pan with some cooking spray and wipe the excess off. Line it with parchment, then spray the parchment paper with some cooking spray and wipe the excess off. To a large saucepan, add the cream, sugar, butter, and corn syrup, and cook over medium-high heat, stirring constantly until it reaches 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the pan from the heat and quickly stir in the raspberry extract. Pour it into the 8x8 pan. Let it cool completely, then remove it from the pan. Melt the wafers or temper the chocolate. Pour it into a plastic bag and cut off a small corner. Drizzle the chocolate over the caramels. Let the chocolate set. And cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte mhath. Oh, this is nice. The texture is perfect. Not too hard, not too soft. Flavor is spot on. Dark caramel flavor paired with the brightness of the raspberry, just a hint of chocolate. It may sound weird, but this has an elegance to it that you just don't get with a Snickers or a Mounds bar. Not that there's anything wrong with those. If you're looking for a treat to take to a fancy dinner party, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. Line it with parchment, then spray the parchment.